Morning, Steve and Rover here. Rain or shine, we're going to get out and do a walk today. We're going to hit the Canyon View Trail again. It's about an hour's walk. Rover's all sorted with his rain jacket on. So let's get going. I prefer the shine, but we're going to do it in the rain. Come on, let's get going. This way. Water levels are really high now. Go on, get going. Oh, Rover, I'm not too sure if we're going to do the whole route today. He might decide he's had enough, and then we'll turn around and go back. I didn't even want to come out, but he was driving me round the bend, getting all impatient. There's some hardy hikers up there. They just done the trail. He doesn't seem to like his little hat, so his head's going to get wet. I keep trying to put it on. He keeps shaking it off. At least he's going to stay nice and dry. Have his first few stops, and then we'll have to pick up the pace a bit, because don't want to be hanging around in this. Get going. Go on. You want to go home? You want to go home? Well, it looks like he's done. Well, so much for our walk today. Rover's changed his mind. He doesn't want to go out today. I don't blame him. Look at the state of that river. He might turn around and go back again, I don't know. Well, I think this is the first time ever Rover's turned around from a hike. He's the one that wanted to come out today, not me. But like I say, rain or shine, got to get out, otherwise you don't want to live in Canada, because the weather ain't great for a good part of the year. Get lots of rain. That's why we got beautiful rivers and rainforest and lakes. So you've got to put up with a bit of bad weather. And we've been lucky this year, hardly any snow. Let's see where he goes now. Where's he going to take me? Back to the car? Yep, he didn't even look. Good job no cars were coming. Yeah. He's having a quick leak. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's taking me back to the car. Oh dear, it's the first time ever he's backed out of a hike in 11 years. You want to go home, eh? There you are then, in the car. Go on then, get in. And stay off the seat. I don't want you getting the seat all wet. Well, I think that was a smart move, Rover. Let's put your towel there. Get his little towel for him. There you are, there's oops. There's your little towel for the seat. You want to get your jacket off? Right, I'll take your jacket off now. No, my seat. Oi, oi. Over here, Rover. Rover. Come on your seat. Little bugger. Look at him. Well, I can't blame him for not wanting to go out today. Go on, get on your seat. There's a good boy. I'm going to take my jacket off now. We're heading home. Well, we'll head to the dollar store, get you some bickies, alright? So this is Stephen Rover signing out on a wet and rainy and very cold Tuesday morning. We've abandoned our hike. Well, Rover abandoned it. I was willing to go all the way around. Better luck tomorrow.